Hi, this is Bhavik from Opal Infotech, and today I will discuss about how to set up Google Conversion Optimizer in your Google AdWords campaign. In last video we have discussed about what is Conversion Optimizer. Now I will show you on screen how to set up Conversion Optimizer. First, log in into your AdWords account, then select the campaign for which you want to set conversion. To set up Conversion Optimizer, first you need to set up conversion tracking in your web page. To get the conversion tracking code, click on the Tools tab from top menu and click on Conversions from the drop down menu. Under the Conversion tab, click on Plus Conversion. Here you can give conversion name. Like if you want to track your contact us page, then you can give name as contact us. Or if you want to track a thank you page, then you can give name as thank you. Now in the source section, you can select web page if you want to track web page of your site, or if you want to track mobile application of your site, then you can select mobile app. Here we are tracking web page of our website, so we will select web page. Then click on Save and Continue. Now in the conversion category option, you can select as if you want to track purchase of your purchase or sale of your website, then you can select category as purchase or sale. Then in conversion window, keep conversion window of 30 days. Now for conversion value, if your website has a different value, then you or if you prefer not to count a value, then you can give each conversion as one option in the site. You can give conversion value as 1. Now in tracking indicator field, choose whether you want to let your customers know that you are using conversion tracking by putting a Google Site status notification on your page. If you would like to add a notification, then select Add a Google Site Stats. Or if you don't want to prefer to use a notification, then select Don't add a notification to the code generated for my page. Then click on Save and Continue. Now, if you are not making changes to the code, then you can choose the option Someone else makes changes to the code, and here you can add the email ID. So Google will mail that conversion code to the person you. Click on Send Mail. If you select I make changes to the code, then Google will If you choose I make changes to the code, a window will open up below with your code snippet. Copy it and you will be ready for the next step. Now to add conversion tracking code, first open the HTML page where your customers reach on your website after they have completed a conversions. For example, thank you page for your order. Then paste that code between the ending of body tag and save the changes. Now to set up Conversion Optimizer, your campaign must have received at least 15 conversions in the last 30 days. Once you have reached 15 conversions, you can set up Conversion Optimizer. Now to set up Conversion Optimizer, in the campaign step, select the campaign, then go to the settings section. Click on Bid Strategy option. To set up conversion optimizer bidding, click on focus on conversions, use CPA bids option. Here you can select two advanced options like bid type of maximum CPA, most you would want to pay for any particular conversion, or target CPA, average amount you would like to pay for each conversion. In maximum CPA, Google will suggest you some recommended bid, and or you can also define your maximum CPA bid like 100. So Google will count as Google will take 100 rupees as your maximum CPA bid. So this way you can set up conversion optimizer bidding for your campaign. So this way you can set up conversion optimizer in your AdWords campaign and you can reach your targeted goals. If you want help regarding setup of conversion optimizer, you can visit our website at www.webmasterindia.com or you can comment on this video. Thank you.